Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile Prop Hunt. This exciting game mode pits two teams against each other in a thrilling game of hide and seek. One team transforms into everyday objects, blending into the environment, while the other team hunts them down. Each round typically lasts for a few minutes, creating fast-paced and engaging gameplay. Understanding these basic roles is your first step to mastering Prop Hunt. When playing as a prop, your primary goal is to remain undetected. You'll have about 30 seconds at the start of each round to choose your initial disguise and find a clever hiding spot. Remember, you can switch between 3 different objects throughout the round, offering strategic flexibility. Don't forget to use your whistle ability, which activates every 15 seconds, to distract and mislead the hunting team. Blending seamlessly into the map is key to your survival. As a hunter, your mission is to systematically search the map and eliminate all hidden props. Listen carefully for the telltale whistle sound, which is emitted by props every 15 seconds, as it can reveal their general location. Scrutinize the environment for any objects that seem out of place or don't quite fit. When you suspect an object is a prop, shoot it. A damage indicator will confirm if you've hit a player. Teamwork and thorough searching are crucial for success. For advanced prop hunt play, props should master the art of subtle movement, only relocating when hunters are not observing. Hunters can strategically deploy grenades or even certain score streaks to force props out of their hiding places. Familiarize yourself with each map's layout, noting both common hiding spots and areas where objects might appear unusually. Effective team communication, calling out suspicious areas or confirmed prop locations, significantly increases your chances of victory for both teams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.